Hello my dear lovely friends, welcome to EduTap. So guys, today I'm gonna discuss with you complete book list that is required to prepare for NABARD Grade A examination, right? So guys, we all know that the most important part of any examination preparation is to know the sources, is to know the books, right? So let's get started and make you aware about everything that you need to prepare. So before we move on, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. बहुत फायदा मिलेगा. You will get a lot of videos that are absolutely free, daily, regularly आती हैं, along with the PDF जो Telegram channel पे मिलेगा. ठीक है? The description box has the link of this Telegram channel. इस वीडियो का नीचे जाके join कर लो. Quickly. चलिए. तो guys, first I'll discuss about the books for phase 1 followed by phase 2. ठीक है? ऐसा क्यों? Because when you are preparing, although जब आप start करते हो, we always tell you that you need to start your preparation from phase 2, so that you are well aware about the things that are going to come in phase 2, because there's a gap, there's less gap between phase 1 and phase 2, है ना? But you should know at least the books, you should know the sources, you should know your strength and weakness at least. कि phase 1 में ये subject मेरा अच्छा है, ये नहीं है. Plus if you have advantage of being good in subjects जैसे कि quant, reasoning, English, तो उसके लिए भी आपको confidence आएगा, right? And you can plan your preparation well. तो I'll discuss पहले phase 1 का book list, लेकिन यहाँ तो 6 ही subjects हैं. What about other two? ESI and ARD. तो guys, ESI और ARD are common in phase 1 and phase 2. तो phase 1 में आपका 40 marks each है, right? और phase 2 में तो 100 marks का पेपर है. उसको मैं separately cover करूंगी. It needs to be given due weightage. बहुत respect चाहिए उसको, बहुत time चाहिए. तो पहले हम फटाफट quickly phase 1 cover करते हैं. Then I'll tell you all the things that you need to cover for phase 2, right? So all these subjects I'll discuss, starting with quant. Very basic books I have for you. Guys, quant aptitude है आपकी डॉक्टर RS अग्रवाल की, right? This is the latest edition जो भी available हो, and Lucents की भी quant aptitude आती है. तो अगर CAT-JAT वाली करोगे, it will be beneficial for you because you will be able to, अगर hard questions solve कर सकते हो तो obviously if you have practice for hard questions तो थोड़ा easy भी कर सकते हो. I want to reiterate one thing here which I have been telling हमेशा से, only solving books is not enough. Do refer to YouTube guys, so many channels are there. हमारा channel VD sir आपको quant reasoning इतने अच्छे से, he is taking all the lectures, refer there. कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, refer to those lectures, right? और one very important thing, book तो पढ़ ली, but is that enough? Do you know that what type of questions are gonna come? If this book contains NABARD में आया था question, तो वो उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना. Else go to the NABARD previous year questions. उसके लिए भी एक separate course is there. You can enroll on our website, free PYQs आपको मिल जाएंगे, ठीक है? तो guys, this is one. Second is reasoning ability. Of course, books जो हैं वो basic हैं. एक अरिहंत की है, New Approach to Reasoning, तो verbal, non-verbal, analytical reasoning है. Another book is again by Dr. RS Agarwal. तो ये दो books हैं. These are not going to be enough unless and until you have the knowledge of PYQs. Plus you have to refer to a teacher's lecture. ठीक है? VD sir तो मैंने आपको बताया ही है. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं गाइस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पे. नाउ दिस इज अ ट्रिकी लैंग्वेज इफ यू आर नॉट वेल अवेयर विद इट, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट जस्ट रीड अ बुक एंड गो टू अपीयर इन इंग्लिश का पेपर, राइट? 30 मार्क्स का है. ऑफ कोर्स फॉर फ्यू पीपल इट इज एन एडवांटेज बिकॉज दे हैव रेड इन इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल्स, दे हैव गुड बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज. उनके लिए तो दे नो कि नाबार्ड पेपर देख के इट इज नॉट टफ. बट इफ यू आर वरीड what to do, or if you want to improve your English guys, you should read newspapers. I have put here few good newspapers, The Hindu, Economic Times, Business Standard हो सकता है, Live Mint हो सकता है. You read those newspapers to increase your vocabulary, to have a good knowledge, and of course reading speed बढ़ेगी आपकी, reading comprehension solve करनी है ना, and then regularly take mock tests for NABARD specifically. Plus, if you have appeared in any banking examination, तो quant, reasoning, English, तो वैसे ही you have to prepare. All those are going to be used here. Let me tell you, quant, reasoning, English are not going to be only your strengths in this paper. Please ध्यान रखिए, it can be a strength for you because आपको prepare नहीं करना अलग से, अगर पहले से किया हुआ है. But these are non-merit subjects. Merit subjects आपके GA, ESI, ARD हैं. You need to give due weightage there also. ठीक है? लेकिन ignore भी नहीं करेंगे obviously. So next is computer knowledge. I would say this is an easiest subject. This is the easiest subject. Why? If you know that what you need to read for computer, so it is easy for you. So there are 8 to 10 topics specifically which are required for NABARD examination. You see the NABARD syllabus video. Udhar I have listed the topics. You can download the PDF even of the syllabus. That will be useful for you. But still, Arihant का computer awareness है. Chapter wise you can check the questions and Lucent का भी book आता है. But do not cover these books end to end. मत करना. कंप्यूटर आपको कवर नहीं करना है एंड टू एंड, ठीक है. 20 मार्क्स का है बट बहुत ही स्मार्टली कवर करना है, ठीक है. ओनली द चैप्टर्स दैट आर रिक्वायर्ड. जनरल अवेयरनेस ऑफ कोर्स 20 मार्क्स का जीए है बट नाउ इट इज आवर मेरिट सेक्शन, वी कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट. अच्छे से करना पड़ेगा. तो गाइस स्टैटिक जीके दैट इज देयर. If you know, static GK is basically the GK like location of airports, location of seaports, location of stadiums, all these things, right? National parks, wildlife sanctuaries. तो वो सब selective topics आपको मिल जाएंगे यहाँ से. I'm reiterating, दोबारा बोल रही हूँ, you have to see the previous year questions. कोई problem आता है उसमें तो हमें मेल डालो, मिल जाएंगे easily हमारी वेबसाइट पे. कोर्स में, सॉरी, कोर्स एनरोल करोगे, फ्री कोर्स है, उसमें मिल जाएंगे. तो लूसेंट का जनरल नॉलेज, इससे सिलेक्टिवली स्टैटिक टॉपिक्स कवर करनी है. एंड फॉर करंट अफेयर्स गाइस क्या करना है आपको, यू हैव टू कवर करंट अफेयर्स कंपाइलेशन जो आती है वीकली और मंथली. वी प्रोवाइड अ वीकली कंपाइलेशन एंड देन ऑन अ मंथली बेसिस. इट्स अ कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव मैगजीन व्हिच कवर्स जीए इन न्यूज है आपका फेज 1 के लिए ओनली रेलेवेंट. जीए प्लस एआरडी है जो कि फेज 1 फेज 2 दोनों में आएगा. As I told you, subjects are common. GA plus finance, again phase 1 phase 2. Finance is actually a part of ESI only. और ARD के लिए also we have a separate magazine for agriculture news, right? So this you have to cover. If you feel कोई और magazine you have been covering उसको करते रहो, but then you make sure that it is relevant for your exam and you do ample revision, ठीक है? अच्छा, one more important thing, 3 to 4 months before the examination for phase 1 I am talking about, ठीक है? Not phase 2. ये करना आपको. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डिसीजन मेकिंग. सो न्यूली एडेड सब्जेक्ट ऑफ 10 मार्क्स. इंग्लिश का 10 मार्क्स कट करके इधर दे दिया. अर्लियर इंग्लिश यूज्ड टू बी ऑफ 40 मार्क्स, तो अब 10 यहाँ आ गया. नाउ व्हाट आर द बुक्स फॉर इट? Guys, there is no one book that you can cover end to end and go and attempt all the 10 questions, right? But the basics like steps to make a decision, types of decisions, techniques of decision making, all these are relevant. आपको basically you have to cover. If you have been preparing for RBI guys, then you have an advantage here because these things you have already read. If you did not appear in RBI, do not worry. Selectively topics you have to see. A few I have told you, अभी बताया है. नहीं तो question देख लेना previous year का, only 1 year का available है. वहां से यू कैन गो थ्रू ये टी एन छाबड़ा एंड एल एम प्रसाद. तो ये दोनों बुक्स विल हेल्प यू इन नोइंग द ब्रॉड आइडिया ऑफ डिसीजन मेकिंग, राइट? यू ऑब्वियसली यू विल हैव टू यूज योर कॉमन सेंस आल्सो व्हाइल आंसरिंग उधर जाके, ठीक है? दिस बुक इज आल्सो गुड. आपको कुछ इन डेप्थ चीजें यहाँ से भी मिल जाएंगी, राइट? बट अगेन एंड टू एंड नहीं पढ़ना है. ओके, कमिंग टू योर कॉमन सब्जेक्ट्स. फेज 1 फेज 2 के बिल्कुल कॉमन सब्जेक्ट्स हैं ESI और ARD, राइट? और इंग्लिश डिस्क्रिप्टिव भी है. इसको तो प्रैक्टिस कर लो, राइट? यू हैव टू, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस, लेटर, essay, then your RC, Pressy, you have to have practice of all these things. PYQs देख के प्रैक्टिस करो. English descriptive shall be fine, right? Now coming to ESI ARD, तो for your ease I have classified it into current affairs and static. तो ESI current affairs, ESI static, ARD current affairs, ARD static. I'll tell you in detail about each separate current affair and static part, ठीक है? So talking about ESI static first. See, the weightage of ESI static is not very high. If you have a good knowledge of ESI current affairs, then ESI static can be tackled well, ठीक है? क्योंकि economics और social issues majorly are about the current things going on. What is the current scenario of the country? But still to have a good hold over the knowledge of static, तो फिर इंडियन इकोनॉमी रमेश सिंह इज फॉर योर इको पार्ट एंड सोशल इश्यूज के लिए सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स इन इंडिया राम आहूजा. तो सिलेक्टिवली यू कैन रीड दिस बुक. वल्नरेबल सेक्शंस के लिए स्पेसिफिकली व्हिच आर फेवरेट ऑफ नाबार्ड टू आस्क क्वेश्चंस फॉर. एंड इफ यू हैव UPSC background, then तो this is your I would say forte. You have read it, you don't need to read it again. कुछ भी इकोनॉमी के नोट्स पढ़े हैं तो that will be fine. If you don't have any UPSC का background, don't be worried. You just need to read it selectively, right? Or you can अवेल नोट्स. कोर्स लिया है कोई, फिर तो बुक्स की जरूरत ही नहीं है, सिर्फ कोर्स को यू कैन गो थ्रू, राइट. बट इफ यू वांट स्पेसिफिकली बुक, गो थ्रू इट. सो दीज आर द 2 books फॉर ESI स्टैटिक, राइट. बट अगेन यहाँ पे वर्ड ऑफ caution, करंट अफेयर्स आर मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट इन द पेपर एज कंपेयर टू स्टैटिक, राइट. You'll have to find out your strength, कितना आता है स्टैटिक मुझे, कितना नहीं आता है. Do I want to make it my strength? Is it relevant for the examination? ऐसा करके points लिखने पड़ेंगे आपको. For me, if you ask, I will tell you that read current affairs properly, schemes, magazines अच्छे से पढ़ोगे, and few notes of this would be fine. ठीक है? Next is guys, ESI. Current affairs, if I talk about, so these are all the things that you need to cover. So this is obviously not available in one particular book. Current है तो book में तो नहीं मिलेगा, but I have the things that you need to cover plus their sources that might help you. So what are those things? Guys, latest Union Budget and Economic Survey. You cannot open the budget document, that is not required because it is too lengthy. Rather budget document summary मिल जाएगा, हमारे कोर्स में है और कहीं से पढ़ रहे हो. We have covered budget economic survey videos on our channel, watch those, then solve questions on them. Then guys, reports rankings which are released before the examination, 6-7 months before. Summits, conferences जो which are related to the syllabus, gender issues, sustainable development, all these things. Government schemes, old and new. Old कैसे? They are usually news, right? MGNREGA, NRLM, NULM, these are the schemes mentioned in your syllabus. वो बार-बार न्यूज में रहती हैं. You have to cover them. Important committees and commissions. This can be static also. Ashok Dalwai committee for doubling farmers' income. इतनी पुरानी कमेटी है. So such committees you should have gone through them. पता होना चाहिए. GDP forecast latest just like you know few days, 5 days, 6 days before your examination, the forecasts that are available for our country. SECC और census तो अभी तो 2011 ही available है, right? 2021 में it would be the base year. It is gonna be out थोड़ा late ही because of the COVID also. So you cover these things. How to cover them? The major sources PIB. If you do not have a current affairs magazine, if you do not have schemes tab, reports document जो हमारे सब course में available है, if you do not have that, so find out the sources, then stick to them, okay? And if you want to cover your own self अपने आप से, तो PIB, PRS, NABARD का website, आपका जो newspapers है Standard and Vikaspedia for government schemes. So newspapers you'll have to read, PIB you'll have to read, Vikaspedia और website NABARD की और government schemes की website. You'll have to go through them. ठीक है? Make your own notes if you are following these sources because when you want to revise, you cannot go back to these sources to revise. ठीक है? On the other hand, course का material है तो उसको भी revise करना होगा अच्छे से, right? So these are your sources for ESI current affairs. Now we'll come to agriculture static. So agriculture static is a kind of thing which many students are afraid of because they do not have this background. They feel ये बहुत मुश्किल होगा, we cannot do. Trust me, my dear friends, if you are appearing for a generalist post, you do not need to be worried, okay? They have kept the eligibility as non-agri background candidates. That means you can clear the paper if you study properly, ठीक है? So there are a lot of books again. There is no one book that you read cover to cover. You'll have to choose the topics from separate books, right? So जैसे agriculture at a glance is there by R.K. Sharma. Fundamentals of agriculture are there. Elements of agri engineering. So these are your chapters basically which are given. So you'll have to choose selectively and read. Gloucester's horticulture, then textbook of animal husbandry authors हैं. You can download the PDF later and see these. Then competitive Nemraj Sunda. So this is still a kind of book which has a lot of things which are required. Because it is specifically for competitive examinations. You can refer them. Again I am saying if you have your own notes, if your friend is giving you some notes of somewhere or if you have your own course, then all these things are not at all required. ठीक है? बिल्कुल नहीं चाहिए हैं. Only refer to your course. These are not for the course students, I am telling again. These are for the students who do not have a course. Then guys, coming to ARD current affairs. Agriculture current affairs, rural development current affairs are also very important, especially when we talk about phase 1. ठीक है? Phase 2 में भी it is there, but now it has descriptive paper also. So phase 1 में ज़्यादा important है. तो वही सेम सेंसस SCCC वाला is common for ESI ARD. Now agri census, livestock census, handloom census, this you have to cover. One question each से आ ही जाता है. Latest MSPs, ESI में there were GDP forecasts, here these are MSPs which are released by the government for Kharif marketing season, Rabi marketing season. Latest advance estimates, usually a handbook is released on agriculture, horticulture, fisheries, so those are also there, plus estimates separately are also released on PIB. Now if you have course तो उसमें news मिल जाएगा agriculture का, नहीं है then you refer to websites, different websites are there, right, like NABARD website है, PIB है, I'll write here so that you do not forget, PIB, NABARD website, you can keep on checking them, right. There is a website called Krishi Jagran, वो देख सकते हो, right. Schemes which are related to agriculture and allied sectors and rural India, those you have to cover. Reports like NAFIS survey, agri marketing, farmers friendly reform index, नीति आयोग ने पहले launch किया था. So these are all available on their respective websites. If you Google them, they will be coming to you, और कुछ वो भी मिल जाएंगे just इनके. And of course annual reports. These are not very important. NABARD का of course is important. Ministry of Rural Development, Agri Farmers is not that important. If you have time, go through them. So of course these are not available in any particular book, right? ये sources है. If you're reading through them, you have to have your own notes. ठीक है जी? So that's it, my dear friends. I hope this video was helpful to you. All the sources that you need are here. If you have your course, so don't refer to these sources. If you do not have a course and you do not plan to buy one, then please go through these sources. These shall be more than enough if you cover them well. But coverage is incomplete if no revision is done. That is the, I would say, funda for everything, right? So that's it. Thank you for your time. Let me know how did you like the video, and also let me know what else do you want to know about the NABARD examination. ठीक है? Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.